In this video, we're covering LDAP, SQL, and Oracle collaborations. Here are some of the key features. It requires one-time license for each collaboration type. So once you have that license installed, you can create multiple collaborations for the particular type you purchased. It's easy to configure and sync between ACM and third-party database, again, SQL, Oracle, or LDAP Active Directory databases. It provides a streamlined process to manage employee records. The collaboration runs in the background under a schedule that the customer can set. And we do have supporting documentation and videos available. Some of the benefits of using those collaborations are that the third-party database update ACM, but ACM does not have the ability to update those databases. So that makes it a very easy conversation with IT personnel, which are concerned most of the time of who's updating their database. So ACM does not have the ability to update SQL, Oracle, or Active Directory database. Only works in one way, from the third-party database into ACM. And as again, it really streamlines the identity management process. Once a new cardholder, a new user is added to one of those data sources, that information can be automatically, again, under schedule, added into ACM without the need to duplicate data records. Let's go ahead and take a look in the collaboration just for illustration purposes and see how that works. I'm already logged in ACM. I'm going to go up here to Setup and Settings and click in Collaboration. You see that I have some already created. You start a process by clicking Add Collaboration here. And then based on the license that you purchase, you would see the type of collaborations that you have in ACM. Okay? By default, CSV collaborations are part of every single system. Then you have the LDAP, Oracle, and SQL collaborations here if the customer has purchased those licenses. All right, I have some configured just again for illustration purposes. Let's take a look in a SQL collaboration. As I said, it's very simple to configure. You're going to enter the address of that host, some information here in username and password. Then you're going to select the database. And literally, all you have to do after that is link the field. So I can go in here and say last name. This is the field that I have in my database. And I'm going to link that to the same last name or first name here in ACM. For the other collaborations, SQL and LDAP, similar process to that. Once that's all configured, then the customer can go over here and select, I want to update this, or I want to run this collaboration, let's say every 6 hours or so. Very easy process to configure.